Welcome to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making almond protein laddu. Healthy, energy packed and naturally sweet. A perfect snack for any time of the day. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup almonds. Almonds are known as a superfood and roast on low heat for 3 to 4 minutes until lightly fragrant. Laddus are traditional energy snacks in many countries. Keep aside. Now take 1 cup sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are rich in nutrients and minerals. And roast on low heat. Stirring continuously for about 1 minute. Keep aside and let everything cool completely. Once cool, pour the almonds and sesame seeds into a blender. Cool completely before blending. Blend into a coarse mixture. Now add 1 cup jaggery. Jaggery adds natural sweetness and flavor. And blend again until well combined. Now transfer to a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons chopped almond and mix well. Now take small portion and shape into laddus. If dry, add a little warm ghee to bind. Almonds provides protein and healthy fats. Sesame seeds are rich in calcium and iron. Your healthy laddus are ready. Jaggery is a natural sweetener. This is a refined sugar-free snack. Your healthy almond protein laddu is ready. Enjoy anytime for instant energy. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more healthy recipes.